Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sanjay Kumar. Today I am going to show you in this video a brand new app that will pay $20 for absolutely free, and this app withdrawal in PayPal and Payer. Okay friends, before going to the video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. Then you can see a notification as soon as we upload a video. Okay, now let's go to the video. This app name is Reverdy. First, we need to open the app. Okay, first click agree to agree the privacy policy of this app. Now log in with your Google account. This is app homepage. Now you collect the daily reward. Today is Friday, so today 37 coins will be received as daily bonus. In this app, you have to earn coins by completing tasks. First, let's go to the task offers. There are many tasks as server in this. All you have to do is download this app and complete the levels as they say. Then you can get the relevant coins. You can see that BitLabs has many games that you can play and earn coins. You can also earn coins by working in the same way as Task Partnership. Next, server first. Like before, you can earn coins by playing the games and answering the questions. In addition, you can earn coins by watching ads. You can get 4 coins by watching a 30-second ad. The other way to earn money in this app is to invite friends. If someone joins this app by clicking your link, you will get 1500 coins, and whoever joins from your link will be getting 400 coins. Withdraw. This app withdrawal in PayPal and Payer. If you have 150,000 coins, you can withdraw $20 to your PayPal account. And do you have 50,000 coins, you can withdraw $5 to your PayPal Pay account. If you have to least 5,000 coins, you can get $0.5 to Pay account. Okay, so that's all there is to say about this app. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And with the hope of seeing you in other video, I say goodbye for today. Have a nice day all of them.